Daddy's Toyland. Yay. Let's have fuel. Get out. I want some fuel too. Go. Oh, you went so far. Wait, I'm not done. And I'll also need some fuel.
What's next?
No, stop. Why?
Because turn right soon.
Okay. I'm done.
I'm done. I'm done. Whoa!
I'm gonna be next. 3, 2, and go! Ah! I'm gonna do it one more time. Well, yay. Who's next? I will go.
I'll go. Next with you.
Oopsies.
Again. What?
Yeah. Oopsies. Sorry.
Whoa. Open away.
Oh, you want to go next. I'm done for the fuel.
I died for the fuel.
And I'm 10.
Died.
We're not done.
I died for the fuel.
We're done. I'm gonna just go and go.
Hey, I want to be the first one.
Oh. Sorry.
Yay.
Who's next?
We left it so close. Yeah, we can't do it like that.
We want to go. Yeah. Woohoo! Who's next?
We go together. Me, you,
Really? Okay. Well, I'm cutting. Woo! Who's next?
It's me.
And me. Oh, oopsies.
Wow.
Ah! Gotta go. Wait.
Hey, wait for my turn.
Dude.
Wait for you too.
Yeah, wait.
Everyone, about everyone.
Oh,
Everyone is out. Turbo, my name is Crash. My name is 5. My name is Moo. My name is Silly. My name is Turbo. My name is Red. My name is Eagle. My name is Grass. My name is Speed. My name is Crash. Look. Just look at that. I love when the fuel comes. We're done. I gotta close the truck.